નમસ્કાર વિદ્યાર્થી મિત્રો, કિશોર દજેરા યુટ્યુબ ચેનલમાં આપ સૌનું સ્વાગત છે. આપણે અભ્યાસ કરી રહ્યા છીએ ફ્લેક્સિબલ બજેટ ઇંગ્લિશ મીડિયમ એનો એક્ઝામ્પલ નંબર 27. સરસ્વતી મેન્યુફેક્ચરિંગ કંપની હેઝ એન ઇન્સ્ટોલ્ડ કેપેસિટી ઓફ 1 લાખ યુનિટ્સ પર એનમ. એટલે વાર્ષિક એ 1 લાખ યુનિટ બનાવી શકે છે. The cost structure of the product manufactured is as under: material cost 20, wages 10, subject to a minimum of rupees 50,000 per month. એટલે 10 or per unit 10 or monthly 50,000 બેમાંથી જે વધુ હોય તે. Overhead 5, fixed overheads 1,20,000 per annum. Semi variable overhead 60,000 per annum at 50% capacity, which is increased by 12,000 per annum for the increase of every 20% capacity or any part thereof. 50% સુધી 60,000 રહેશે. જેવા કેપેસિટીમાં 20% નો વધારો થાય એવા સેમી વેરિયેબલમાં 12,000 12,000 નો વધારો થાય. આ નિયમ. The estimated capacity utilization for the next year is as follows: 50% for 6 months, 60% for 4 months, 84% for balance part of the year. Balance part એટલે 6 and 4 10 month થઈ ગયા, balance વધી 3 month, sorry 2 month. 6 plus 4 10 month plus 2 month, એટલે 84% capacity for 2 month. Company expects to get rupees 6,47,000 total profit. Company ने total profit करવો છે 6,47,000. Assume that there is no opening or closing stock. कोई opening के closing stock નથી. Prepare the budget to find out estimated selling price for each of the production units. Selling price find કરવાની છે. First of all, unit જોઈએ. એની capacity છે 1 lakh into 50% into 6 month is equal to 25,000. One lakh into 60% into 4 month is equal to 20,000. Then 1 lakh into 84% into balance 2 month is equal to 14,000. Percentage 50, 60 and 84. Units 25,000, 20,000 and 14,000. And month 6, 4, 2. First of all, a variable cost. Material 20 per unit 20, 20 and 20. 20 into units 5 lakh, 4 lakh, 2 lakh 80,000. 5 lakh, 4 lakh, 2 lakh 80,000. After that, wages per unit 10. 10 into 25,000 is equal to 10 lakh to 2 lakh 50,000. અહીંયા આપણે calculation બતાવીએ પાછી. Wages for 6 month per unit 10. 10 into 25,000 is equal to 2,50,000 and monthly 50,000. 6 month into 50,000 is equal to 3 lakh. તો આપણો નિયમ છે કે મંથલી અને પર યુનિટ બેમાંથી જે વધુ હોય તે, એટલે આ 3 લાખ વધુ થાય એટલે અહીંયા વેજીસ આવશે 3 લાખ. After that, for 4 months, 10 per unit into 20,000 is equal to 2 lakh, and 4 into 50,000 is equal to also 2 lakh. કોઈ પણ લઈ શકાય 2 lakh. And for 2 months, 10 into 14,000 is equal to 1,40,000, and 2 months into 50,000 is equal to 1 lakh. એટલે બેમાંથી વધુ થાય 1,40,000, એટલે અહીંયા આવશે 1,40,000, એટલે 10 3 lakh divided by 25,000 is equal to 12. આ ખાસ ધ્યાન આપજો, પેજીસ વેરી મોસ્ટ ઇમ્પોર્ટન્ટ. And then overheads 5. Five into 25,000, 125, 1,70,000. Total variable cost. $37, 9,25,000, 35, 7 lakh, 35, 4,90,000. Total variable cost. B, semi-variable expenses. Semi-variable expenses any calculation करिए. तो એના માટે તમને કીધું છે કે 0 to 50% 60,000, 0% to 50% is equal to 60,000. Then 51% to 70% is equal to 72,000. Then 71% to 90% is equal to 12,000 plus 84,000, and 91% to 100% 96,000. This is the semi-variable expenses. 50% 6 month. 50% like 60,000 6 month is equal to 30,000. એટલે સેમી વેરિયેબલ પહેલામાં આવશે 30,000 અહીંયા. Then 60% 4 month, એટલે આ બંનેની વચ્ચે 60% આવશે for 4 month is equal to 24,000. And 2 month 84%, 84% એટલે આ બંનેની વચ્ચે આવશે 84,000 into 2 month is equal to 14,000. 30,000, 24,000 and 14,000. 1.2 and 1.2. This is the semi-variable expenses or cost. And finally, C, fixed cost. Fixed cost total month yearly 1,20,000 into 6 months, 60,000 into 4 months 40,000 into 2 months 20,000. 60,000, 40,000 and 20,000 divided by units 2.5 to 1.43. Fixed cost. Finally, total cost A plus B plus C $40.7 40.7, 10 lakh 15,000, 38.2, 7 lakh 64,000, 37.43, 5 lakh 24,000. Plus profit finally sells. एना टोटल प्रॉफिट જોઈએ છે 5,47,000. તો સેલિંગ પ્રાઇસ ગણીએ total cost is 10,15,000 plus 7,64,000 plus 5,24,000 is equal to, the total cost is 23,03,000 plus profit 6,47,000, 29,50,000 total sale. Total sale is 29,50,000 divided by number of units. Number of units એટલે 25,000, 20,000, 14,000. 25,000 plus 20,000 plus 14,000 is equal to 59,000. 50 is the selling price per unit. અહીંયા આવશે selling price 50, 50 and 50. 50 into 25,000 is equal to 12,50,000. 50 into 20,000, 10 lakh and 7 lakh. The difference is profit 9.3. 2,35,000. 11.8, 2,36,000, 12.57, 1,76,000. Thank you very much, friends.